calles. Crecí sin mi padre, conocí la violencia, el derrame de sangre en las calles. Solo miran el mal, no nos quieren aceptar en la alta sociedad.
What's going on, fellow Redliners? Welcome back to another video. Sorry for the lack of uploads. Like I mentioned in the previous video, I have been under the weather and for what's been like three weeks now basically, and finally I'm starting to recover. I'm at the end of my antibiotics, so fingers crossed that I make a full recovery and I don't relapse and have to go get an extended set. Right now I'm feeling okay. Beautiful day outside. Well, it's like 64 right now on this fall day in the Arctic, so you can't really ask for anything better. Clear skies, and there is a car show, a big car show that I'm off to right now. My buddies already went earlier in the morning today. I was just not feeling amazing earlier this morning. I was just a little tired and sluggish because of the antibiotics, but now that I'm up and running, I figured, you know what, I'd go meet up with them at the car show. Probably one of the bigger ones. It's like a season closing event kind of thing, and it's put on in one of the major the major parking lots out here in the area here. So heading out to that. The only one thing is, for the last 3 weeks, as I mentioned, I've been sick. So the last time I drove this car before I started dying, essentially, was with my buddy Silvio before he left. He moved out of town, unfortunately, so we did a really fun drive. But what happened with that is, and I forgot because I've been sick, is tons of bugs, like a shit ton, have been picked up and they're right in front of the bumper right now. And I'm off to a car show. Probably not the best planning. I've been sick, so it's not been on the top of my priority list, obviously, and I kind of forgot about it too. But you can see, even in the windshield here, there are some bug residue, and when I get to the car show in probably the next 5 minutes or so, I'll show you guys what the front looks like. I'll probably park so the front is not showing. I'll park it against a fence or something so people don't see the front, because it's very embarrassing. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys there in a few seconds. Huracan startup. And then 650. Pretty solid spec. Couple of M3s, and you guys have seen that one, the GTT R34.
You want to come go get it? Come with us? Mike too.
Where does he live?
On Carp.
Carp?
And this is an original key.
Private collection here. Storage facility.
$15,000 for it? Mom said no. It's the original jack.
Seems like a real struggle to get in that car.
I like that. You're right. This thing is so short shifter. Hey, yeah. I'm hoping to God that this thing starts. If you don't drive it for too long, there's no fuel pump.
There's no fuel pump in it? It almost turned over right there, like at the start.
Yeah. I have a booster. I have one there that might work.
Mine will work.
You sure? Yeah, I gotta keep going. But it's doing better now that it's got that.
Battery starter.
Is it? What happens is there's no fuel. Yeah.
But if you use really high octane fuel, it breaks down slower.
It's slower. And I put the, I don't know if I put the fuel preservative in here yet.
Oh, that stabilized.
Stable, yeah.
It's happened before and I got it started a month ago, so it should.
When did you treat it last time?
Yeah, it should be okay. No, that's the thing. Last time we brought in gasoline and we poured it into the alcohol in the back.
Yeah.
And I give it a bit of gas.
Get.
Okay, I'm coming out of the clutch, guys.
Okay, go.
Go. Dump it.
Almost.
Oh.
Almost. Okay.
Almost.
Do it again.
We're starting.
Fast, right? Okay. I'm gonna pop it. See what
Go pop it. Pop it.
No, got it.
There.
Gas it.
Oh.
Give gas.
Almost. Almost.
I did. Let's do it again.
Watch the hole in the end, though.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to see if I can. I'm gonna turn left.
Okay.
Yeah. Watch
Okay.
There's a car coming.
Do it. Do it.
Okay.
There's a car coming. Okay, gas it.
Did I not try to start it?
No. It's turn on by itself.
See what happens now if there's any freaking battery. Okay.
Push it back. Push it back and do it
Hold on,
again.
it's not in gear. Give me a second.
Bow. Push it back and then do it again.
We'll go all the way around here. Okay, let's try that. You guys are okay there?
Yeah.
And then I should give it gas, I guess?
Yes.
Yeah. Floor it.
Okay, and then pop it?
Yeah. Hang on. Let's get some more speed. Go. Okay. Do it. 1,
Go, man,
2,
go.
3. Do it.
Yep.
What happened? Okay, we had so much speed there.
Does someone else want to do it? That was the fastest we can do it.
Yeah, we had.
Got it, man. I'm telling you it's gonna work. Let's just
Leave
go.
it in gear. Leave it in gear.
But you know what happened? It wasn't in gear. And I fucking. Okay, let's go.
Leave it on ACK. Leave the car on ACK.
There?
Yeah. Leave it like that.
Okay.
Adrian, you do it.
Wait, let's strap this up.
I strapped the other
Don't
side.
worry about it. Don't worry.
1, 2.
Is it better if I pop it right in?
Yeah. Really quick, as fast as
okay, I didn't know
just dump it as fast as you can.
Is that that's gonna turn the engine?
Yeah.
It's gonna suck. Okay, we're gonna
1,
Go.
2, 3. Do it. Dump it.
Go.
Gas.
I'm fucking gassing it like crazy. Now the battery's gone.
Let's turn it around
Yeah.
because it's downhill now.
I think you're at the other one.
That would have got more attention than the F40.
Oh yeah, for sure. Especially with the starting troubles. You're one more over.
Out and give it some gas.
We got both of them together now,
It's a push button start.
and the F40 over there.
Remember there?
Let's go around. And we got the 2 GTRs lined up there, sitting pretty. Here's a better look at that F40. Super clean motor.
Yeah. Now, don't stop it. Start it. Push the button. Turn it all the way.
And I'll give you a look at the fronts.
Okay, now you ready?
Both cars.
And make sure you're. Okay, press the button. You don't have to give it any gas.
Very quiet though. Very quiet startup. I don't know if you guys can even hear that.
I gotta take a picture of you. Okay.
This car was such a hard time to start. So happy that we got it going now. It looks very nice together. So Redliners, I want to show you guys what I was talking about at the beginning of the vlog when I said that the car is super dirty. You can take a look. That is all thanks to my buddy Silvio. So Silvio, if you're watching, this is all your fault, all your fault. I hope you guys enjoyed. We got a couple of really cool cars. We got the Ferrari F40 in today's video. We had the Porsche 550 that we pushed to start. Basically, a back explanation as to what happened with that car. Those cars don't have fuel pumps, so essentially you got to get them going by pumping the car, and by moving it and driving, we were trying to dump the clutch essentially to get it going, but that didn't work. But eventually, since we tried so many times, fuel got into the lines and we were able to turn it on and take it for a drive. And we also saw the Huracan and the Aventador and the 650S, tons of cool cars, many more that I'm probably missing. But I hope you guys enjoyed riding along with me today. If you guys did, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tons more videos to come now that hopefully I'm no longer going to be on my deathbed and I'll be back into making videos. I'll see you guys next video. Take care. Bye-bye.